Hey guys, this is my 1993 Mazda FD RX7. It's pretty much bone stock right now, apart from exhaust and these stupid wheels. I'll be selling a quad that I'm getting soon, and I will be ordering a full kit for. It's supposed to be good for about 400 to 500 horsepower. And I will be building this car, and I'll be posting my progress on YouTube. So if you're interested in seeing all of that, be sure to check out my channel, subscribe so you can keep up to date with it. As you can see, it's pretty much stock except for air pump and AC delete. I'll also be rebuilding the engine and getting a port done, as well as putting a clutch in it, and I'll be posting all that. So let's see if this girl will start. It's like minus 40 with the wind chill, Canadian temperature. I have no clue what that is in American or whatever. And I also gotta get that stupid tack fixed. Well, if you want to see the progress of this build, just make sure to subscribe, and I will show you everything you need to do to make an FD RX7 make at least 400 horsepower, and I will be posting every single dime that I spend on this car.